So after the fires, as you can see, there's still burnt trees around the back. We ended up having to rebuild a little bit of the shed and reinstate a bigger and better solar system. This is a 10 kilowatt solar system. Greg worked really hard, and it all looks a little bit different now. So keep watching and have a look at the difference.
Good afternoon, Greg here from Sarin Organics. Just thought I'd give you a bit of a look at our brand new solar system. Well, she's getting on 2 months old now, but got a beautiful day here today. She's about 24 degrees, the sun's out, shining. We got 10 kilowatts of solar panels sitting on the roof of our shed over there. So they're up there looking pretty, doing their job, and it's awesome. Yeah, we're very happy with the system. I'm going to turn the camera around and give you a little bit more of a look at it. So there she is over there. 30 panels I think we've got on the roof there. So you do the math. How many? I think there's 300 watt or so. 330 watt panels there on the roof. We've got our generator shed just around the corner. Our battery shed just around the corner here. Got a generator shed just over the back there. We've got a brand new backup diesel generator, so if the battery storage gets a bit low, 80% or less, the generator will automatically kick in and bump them up in charge. And this whole system here, she goes over to take you over. That's our lab and workshop over there. So this solar energy that's made over here with a bit of magic, he's taken over here to our lab and workshop, and Kay manufactures all of our skincare over there with standalone solar power. Here we go, we've got some of these amazing things on the roof over behind me here. Some solar panels. They're awesome things. And we've also got some of these things. Batteries, where those awesome solar panels on the roof convert the sunshine into electricity via this electronic trickery over here. They convert the sunshine into electricity in here, send it over to these things and store it for later use. So we're 100% off grid. We've got a multi-power point tracker on this setup here. So we even get an amount of solar electricity on a cloudy day, which today is a bit of a cloudy day. So yep, she's a great setup, as I say. We even get electricity on a cloudy day. Orchard, chickens and ducks in there. Got a herb garden, comfrey crop, new beds here, chamomile, echinacea, lavender, beautiful creek, Wolfer's caravan, more creek, awesome solar panels, 100% off grid, 100% self-stored energy. Rainwater, more orchards, and our lab, solar powered lab, 100% off grid, powered by the sun, powered by nature, hydrated by nature. No chlorinators here,